What is up, y'all? It's early in the morning and I'm on the way to work, and today is the day I have been waiting on pretty much all my life. We're getting the truck lifted. Now I'm not gonna say exactly what we're getting because I kind of want that to be a surprise. I'll let y'all know when we get it back. But I'm going to Dealer Options. Well, actually I'm going to work because Dealer Options doesn't open till 9 right now. Then I'm heading over to Dealer Options and I'm dropping the truck off. God, I can't talk. Dropping the truck off, and she's gonna get her some new shoes. She won't be looking nice, get a little bit taller. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. So now we are on the way to Dealer Options to pick up the truck from getting its makeover. So just to give y'all a little bit of my view. Everybody meet Chubby. Cutest little dog ever.
Let's these hoes out.
If y'all know, this is my buddy Payne Jackson. And he has been with me every step of the way with this truck.
Every step.
He's gonna be the first one to see it.
Hold on.
Well, first one here to see it.
Okay. Let's see here.
I can't show the truck on the shirt yet.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we got a...
Nah. What you think?
She's wide. Fat.
Thick.
Big. Thick.
Big girl. So let me go ahead and show y'all the truck now. Lagoy's 7 to 9 inch lift. Got it set at 8 Hostile Vulcans 24x14s on a Fury 35 by 15.5 wads. She is thick, to say the least. So I'm gonna do a full walk around of the truck just so y'all can see. And this thing is freaking huge. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Got the silver McGaughy's cross member to match the chrome trim, and then the really to match the mill on the wheels. That piece is right there. The only thing they couldn't do is the box compression strut, is because my cat was in the way, and so they're gonna have to wait till I do my exhaust, which will be like the next week or so, to do the rest of it. But I mean, I'm not complaining one bit. This thing is 30. But here we go. We'll start something new. But I'll hit y'all with some B-roll. Appreciate the view.
Colby.Baker2.
You know, follow me on IG at Colby.Baker2. Follow it on IG. Get me to 3K and I'll drop $100 and 3,000 followers.
Appreciate the view.